Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to send a data from a views.py file to an HTML page. Basically what this does is that instead of writing a plain text like this is the index page, we can get the variable or whatever from this views.py file and then send it into this HTML page. To do that, we're going to come into the views.py file and we're going to go to the function in which this index.html page is rendered, and obviously that's the index function. Now to send a data to this index.html page, we're going to specify a comma, and then we're going to open a curly braces bracket, and then we're going to type name. Let's say name, and then let's give the name something like John. Now what this is doing is that it's sending a variable into index.html page. Now for us to use this variable, we are going to come into the index.html page and type, let me delete this quickly, and let me say my name is, obviously I can say my name is Tomi. It's going to write it. I'm just going to say my name is Tomi, but I want to get this name from the views.py file. This is very important when you are working with large data, or when you are working with, let's say, massive database basically. So we're just going to do something like this. We're going to delete this and open a curly braces bracket twice and type the name of that variable, which is name. The name of the variable specified in here, it is name. Now this is going to print my name is John. It's not going to print this curly braces bracket because Django sees these two curly braces brackets as a ginger template. Further in the video, I'm going to explain what ginger template is, but for now let's stick to this. Now when we refresh this, you see it says my name is John, but in the HTML page we didn't write my name is John. We wrote my name is name, but it sees this as a variable which defines my name is John. Now if we come into here, we can specify a lot of things. Now let me say, I think it's something like this. We can also specify the age, and we can give it, let's say, 92. If we save this, we can say my name is John. We can also open an h2 tag here and say I am age years old. And when we save this and come here and refresh it, you see it says I am 92 years old. I didn't say 92, I wrote I am age years old. Obviously now, as you guys should understand, it's seeing it as a variable. If you are familiar with Python, that I'm sure you should know Python before watching this tutorial, but if you are familiar with Python, you should know that there's something like variable where you define, let me just give an example, where you define, let's say, name equals to John, and then you can later print name. And you know that what this will print is not name, it's going to print the variable in which you specify name John. That's basically the same format we're using here, but we're passing it from a Python file into an index.html file. Basically, that's the same format we're using here. I hope you guys understood this video, because that's going to be all for this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button, and please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new videos. And if you have any question, please don't forget to drop it down in the comments. I'll be sure to answer our questions. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.